Hello, Pixel Gamer here, bringing you 100 plus on demolition on Nuketown. So let's get started. So first of all, here I'm starting off with a Vector because I was going for diamond SMGs, trying to get some headshots. Then later on, I switch over to the Scar H because the Vector's not doing very well. So we instantly try and rush up in their spawn. It's getting right because I don't have perks or attachments on. I see every time I spawn I throw AMPs trying to get some score fields, my score points. And as I see, I couldn't see that guy when I was playing because I was just delusional. So you get an assist with these EMPs. So here and in this gameplay it's a demolition on Nuketown, so some people might say that's not allowed because we were just spawn trapping them. But and I am in a full party of like 6 people. So yeah. So here I pull out the AN. I don't think this works very well either. And then pull out the Scar after. So we get a C4 kill. Totally messed up. Yeah, this is where I pull out the Scar. So as you can see, we planted our bomb. So my friend Jonty got 300 points for that, but I accidentally killed himself with the bomb because he's delusional. So I'm running Scar, I'm running quick draw and fast mags. And basically the whole of the game I'm just spawn trapping them. So yeah. So that EMP tries to get the points. So here I'm going for my AGR, trying to get, and then building up to my stealth chopper and my VSAT. As you can see, I don't have very high streaks on, so it's basically guns. It's basically gun kills. But this side is a lot harder to spawn trap on Nuketown. So on the next side I get a lot more kills, but I just build up my score streaks. Got scavenger on. AGR starved up a VSAT. Jonty a bomb, they're defusing it. It's Big Ed there picking up a double RPG kill. Watching the side, see pick up this guy. I know I'm 1 kill off from AGR. There, pick up my AGR. Remember that I don't have much ammo left. Pulling my AGR. And I need to sit back a bit because I've only got 9 bullets left. I use my AGR to get my stealth chopper because I know I don't have much ammo left. And I completely flopped with the AGR, but I got my stealth chopper, so I'll call that in. Still remembering that I only have 9 bullets left. Trying to look around for scavenger packs. Now, stealth chopper's trying to pick up some kills, but I'm just still worrying about scavenger packs. Get first stealth chopper kill because I put it in the spawn. Oh, look us all picking up a 2-piece of the B23R. Another stealth chopper kill. As you've seen the kill feed right now, basically our team is just like annihilating them. Got my VSAT. So see that guy. Then I die there. That doesn't end the 100 plus. Still. Pick up the 2-piece of the spawn. Remember to pick it up scav packs this time. Stealth chopper's still going in. Yeah, I've still got my VSAT. Saving that for next round. So here I'm just trying to push up the spawn as much as I can. As many kills as possible. Yeah. Pick up that. I know there's enemies in the garage. So I sit on these boxes. Oh wait, no I don't. I run round. Watch that corner. Pick up the Scar. Get that kill. Get another AG on stealth chopper. Recording my VSAT. I know I'm going to overlap. and call him an AGR. Getting these reset assists. I know I'm low on ammo. But, oh, Big Ed picking up a triple C4. So, now I know they're coming down this side, so I'm watching it with my scar. So I have to put going in. Close to a VSAT. AGR's getting a kill. Picking up scavenger packs to reserve my ammo. My score streaks are going to work. And I know that, so I called in another AGR. Maybe what I should have done is save some score streaks for the rest of the game. Kill that guy. With 3 seconds left to let my teammate have 300 points. So he calls that in. I shouldn't have called in my AGR. So at the end of this round, I'm 43-7. And I end up going 103 and I can't remember how many deaths I got, but I'm still on 43 kills. So I have to get to 57. 60 kills in the next game to get the 103. So I know I have to get a lot of kills, so I'm just going to go and wait for them to push up into their spawn. So I sit back for a bit waiting for them, my teammates to push in. So I know they're sitting back at their spawn. So here, most of my time in this game I'm spending on this side, just killing them off spawn. So my teammate Jack comes and gives me support. Pushes in too far. So I sit here. Wait for them to spawn. No, this guy's gonna be following me. Pre-aim him. I know I'm close to my AGR, so back off. Try and get some EMP assists. I think it's an orbital VSAT, so I call him my AGR. And now I know I'm close to streaks again. So I get my stealth chopper, call it in a lead board. Still trying to play conservatively, knowing I don't have that much ammo. 5 bullets left. So I get my VSAT and then I die. So I know I put my VSAT. Saving that because I think one of my teammates has already got another VSAT. Totally missed all my bullets on those 3 guys. Could have got a triple. AGR's going in. Isn't that guy? Calling my VSAT. Realised I didn't kill him then. So now trying to see if we let them back off, so we let them plant. My friend John, so he gets a K9 unit. I'll call him an ATR. Somehow that guy did not see me. I got another VSAT. All in my stealth chopper. As you can clearly see, I'm going to town in this spawn. One thing I should have done is put flat jacket on. Holding a VSAT. My friend's got his dogs up, so I'm letting him have a few kills. Then, if you look at the scoreboard, I'm 73-9 at the moment. So I still have 30 kills to go. And then my teammates are just calling in all their kill streaks at the moment, which isn't very helpful because they're just stealing all the kills. But I get another AGR, call it in. No, go on close to Stealth Chopper. Should have got the scav pack off that guy. Gets that kill, gets to get the VSAT. Get a scav pack off this guy. What I'm very thankful is for the enemy teammates not to be leaving. And I pushed up in this spawn because I needed some ammo. We got ammo. And then they respawn. So, just spawn kill him again. Calling my Stealth Chopper. Now I'm close to another VSAT. Trying to get some more ammo again from the scav packs. Go back in the spot. No, usually. I know we're losing by 1 round. No, we're winning by rounds. So I'm trying to pick up these last few kills. I'm 84 and 9 at the moment. We let them plant because we want to lose this round, so we get an extra round to spawn trap them in. I'm trying to build up score streaks for the next round. So then I get RPG'd on a 25 kill streak, but it doesn't matter, so I call in this VSAT, which is kind of stupid. And then I call in my AGR in the garage, which is another stupid mistake. So then I realised that we have another round. So I'm on 91 and 10, and the third round is usually very fast, so in this round I need to get 12 kills. So, I know this. So, wait. I've got my Stealth Chopper still. I think I'm close to another VSAT. So I'm going to sit back. That guy tries to spawn killers. I'm gonna push up again. Get some spawn kills. Spawn kill him for a bit. Calling my Stealth Chopper. So I know I'm close. Get a double C4. Then the spawn's flipped and I didn't realise. Then I push again. I know this enemy is in our spawn for some reason. And they planted the bomb. My accuracy goes to rubbish for a second then. And now I'm at the moment, I'm at 101, so I've reached 100 plus. So I'm kind of celebrating at the moment. My friend Joe gets a lodestar. And I'm just soaking up the goal of getting my first 100 plus because it's just an amazing feeling. So yeah. So now at the moment I'm 103, and then that's the end of the gameplay. So thank you for watching. I am 100 plus, see 103 to 11, and hope you join in for more swans.